I'm the one who's
in the display area, ready to come in and start the display in 3 or 4 minutes' time. Well, we are currently undertaking our most ambitious overseas tour in history, the Red Arrows touring North America over an 11.5-week period. We started our adventure on our home base in Scampton, flew up to Scotland, and with our small fuel tank and our training fighter, leading the formation over in big battle formation, the red, white and blue smoke standing out well against the skies here at Miramar. As the aircraft bank around to the left, red one calls them into short diamond formation. The coloured smoke changing to white as the aircraft take their position. Leading the formation is red one squadron leader Martin Pert. Martin is a former Harrier and Typhoon pilot. He's instructed on the Hawk and is in his second year as the team leader. Bringing short diamond in from the left-hand side, the smoke about to come on. Red one speaking with a very metronomic cadence on the radio. The other pilots are reacting to the rhythm and the tone of his commands rather than the movements of his aircraft, which keeps the line straight and the formation shapes very symmetrical. Right hand side, the aircraft are moving into Apollo. Low cloud in the middle of the display area, red one electing to move into the flat display. As Apollo moves off to our left-hand side, the shape representing the profile of the Apollo landing craft. Well, as Apollo moves off to our left-hand side, we're about to celebrate another moment in history. It's another anniversary. This time the 50th anniversary since the first flight of the marvellous design and feat of engineering, the supersonic airliner, which was, of course, Concorde. Red 1 bringing the aircraft round in from the front. Reds 8 and 9 will look like the engines underneath Concorde as they bring it in from the centre, about to bend to the left for the Concorde pass. Of Concorde is Red 5, squadron leader Steve Morris. 5 aircraft in line abreast, and Red 6 and 7 tucked in behind. It's Phoenix. To the left of Red 1 in Phoenix is Red 3, squadron leader Mike Bowden. Mike has previously flown the Harrier and the Tornado. He's instructed on the Hawk and has flown 5 seasons on the Red Arrows. Now in from the left-hand side, the coloured smoke about to come back on in Phoenix.
Wow. Those are you.
colours changing to white has been experienced in World War II, but also involved in the D-Day landings. It is, of course, Lancaster. Those lights come on towards us as Red One reverses the turn to the right. The smoke trailing from the tailplane of Lancaster. Now in our rolling and full shows, Red One rolls the Lancaster formation. The Lancaster, of course, not well known for its aerobatic abilities, but it was rolled by the famous test pilot Alex Henshaw in the UK in World War II. 8 and 9 to roll. Representing the combat aircraft recently retired from the Royal Air Force after 3 decades of frontline service, it's time for Tornado. Here they come, get those cameras ready. Aboard calls Red 9 as Reds 8 and 9 put the coloured smoke on, rolling around the smoke with the rest of the formation. Red 1 about to bend the aircraft to the left, changing smoke colour as they go. Let's hear it for Tornado. Tornado signifies we're approaching the end of the first half of our display. So far you've seen all 8 aircraft in graceful formation aerobatics across the sky in the display. Red 1 has positioned the aircraft into dagger formation as they enter the left-hand turn coming in from show centre. We're about to see the first big split of the display with the coloured and white smoke. It's time for Detonator. Enid, break, vehicles, Red 1. Here come the rear section. As they stay down low. On the right is Flight Lieutenant Toby Kearny. Toby previously flew the Tornado GR4. He's instructed on the Hawk and is in his final year on the team. He's being chased down by Red 8 on the right. On the left is Red 7 being chased down by Red 9. They've got a closing speed of over 700 miles an hour. They'll pass 100 feet apart in the spectacular Jibbo Pass. Keep your eyes on 6 and 7 as they pull hard away from each other. The white smoke still on. They're pulling 7G back in towards show centre. The nose lights will come on to us. They'll reverse the turn, crossing 100 feet apart in the Cyclone. Keeping the turn going, Red 6 and 7 pulling hard towards each other. They're about to cross once more, snipping the smoke. It's Big Shot. In from the left comes Red 9 now with the white smoke on. Look out to the front right, here comes Enid. They've dropped into an inverted V formation. Red 9 about to fly straight through the middle. In the pits. Going out to the vertical with the red, white and blue smoke is Red 9 Flight Lieutenant Dan Lowe's. Dan is a former Typhoon pilot and weapons instructor. He's in his 3rd and final year on the team. section to the left-hand side, the coloured smoke changing to white as he makes way for the Syncro pair and number 8. For Vortex. Chris is a former Tornado pilot. He's flown as an aggressor on the Hawk and has flown in the most number of positions on the Red Arrows, having flown as 2, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 8. Now positioning out to the left and right once more with the white smoke on. Red 6 and 7, the Syncro pair, coming in for their next opposition manoeuvre. On the right is Red 6. He'll roll inverted down the line. Red 7 the right way round. They will switch as they cross in the vice versa. Six and 7 continue down the line. The white smoke is about to go off. They'll pitch crowd simultaneously in Revolution. Now is the 6th aircraft in from Revolution. Moving off to our right-hand side to make way for the next Syncro maneuver. They're closing once more. Over 700 miles an hour, they'll pass 100 feet apart, hook hard into the turn, crossing 3 times in the carousel. Into the turn. As they cross at the back, the smoke colour will change, leaving a red and blue half of the circle. Red 1 at the top, red 5 at the bottom. Red 1 manoeuvring them into a right-hand bend, red 5 at the bottom, moving his aircraft out with the rudder like a pendulum for the line astern pass. Now in the Red Arrows, normally we fly with the even numbers on the right and the odd numbers on the left. Red 1 has just called them into a reverse formation. This time, we have even numbers on the left, odd on the right. Well, to fix that, he'll call them through a maneuver called the slalom. As the smoke goes off, here they go. Back onto the correct side in battle formation, the coloured smoke about to come on, ready for the battle pass. Now each of our aircraft on the Red Arrows has red, white and blue smoke available from a tank underneath the aircraft. The smoke is operated by 3 buttons on the control stick. We have 1 minute of red, 1 minute of blue and 5 minutes of white smoke. Red 2 missing from this formation. The team adjusts the colours to make them symmetrical and keep the shapes as even as possible. And roll inverted, flying formation down the line, reds 8 and 9, rolling around them in corkscrew. Complete calls red 9 as corkscrew finishes to our left-hand side. Well, it's non-stop action. Keep looking out to the left. Here's the nose lights to the leaded section. As they run in, we'll have symmetrical rolls from the inside to the outside of the formation, changing smoke colour as we go. In the rollbacks. 2 and 3 roll go. Of course, just red 3 in the formation today as he rolls in. A clear go call comes for reds 4 and 5 to roll. Come on, ready for the spectacular Chip O'Brien. Staying low for the last time as they maneuver around, putting the white smoke on, ready to turn back in for the last of their opposition passes. On the left in Syncro is Red 7, Flight Lieutenant John Bond. John has previously instructed on the Canon. He displayed the aircraft in 2012. He then joined the Typhoon Force and from the front line before joining the Red Arrows last year. John will take over as the Syncro leader next year. In from the left is 7, in from the right is 6. They're going to roll towards each other twice in the cleverly named double rolls. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the Red Arrows! Well, as the aircraft break in numerical order, they'll stack up downwind before turning final, reforming on the runway and taxiing back in formation.
Adam Collins is Red Arrow number 10. He is a gentleman and just an all-around great guy. We're glad to have him here. I really think he's 50% of that show, don't you? I mean, at least 50% of the show. So a big round of applause for Adam Collins, again, the Red Arrow number 10. Narrated that entire performance without music, without a net. The brave band, and here they are. Making their way back in. Stephanie Strickland, by the way, is standing out here, who is the queen of social media, and she's grabbing the microphone real quickly here, just to tell you about all the hashtags, the Twitter things, and all that stuff. Steph, welcome. It is hashtag #1 air show. Yeah, hashtag #1 air show.
Hashtag
There you go.
#1 air show. That is what we are looking at. We've had a really great day. We had a chance to do Facebook Live with the C-17 coming up with the March Reserve Base.
With the airplane?
Everybody. I mean, we were crawling all over that thing, and we had a chance to talk to the Lieutenant Colonel. She's got just like about 4,000 hours, I think she said, in that airplane, and had a chance to talk to the Loadmaster as well. And then we invited some Twitch streamers to come out. The folks, Twitch streamers, I'll explain that to you later, but for those of you who are familiar with the Kearny Space Academy, we've got them out here at Show Center with us now. We've got Dos Valdez. We also have EJ.